the proper way to brush your hair or comb your hair or pick your hair. Now make sure you look at the hair care video about brushing. So this is just a brief overview about brushing. Now go one key about brushing. The brush should have teeth that are wide apart, all right? And it could be a comb or a brush, but the teeth have to be far apart from each other. When teeth are far apart from each other, they glide through the hair with less pressure on your hair, okay? So wide toothbrush, no matter how short or long your hair is, it glides through your hair with less pulling, and therefore you're going to get less shedding. So always remember that. Wide toothbrush or wide tooth comb or pick, wide tooth pick. And some techniques about brushing, depending on how long your hair is. If your hair is long, you brush from the bottom and you slowly work your way upward until you hit the scalp. It's called, you're going to notice in the hair care videos, it's called thorough brushing. Thorough brushing means that you've passed the brush from the ends all the way up and you have thoroughly and consciously felt the teeth of the brush to hit your scalp. Not jerk and pull, but hit your scalp or glide over your scalp is a better way of putting it. And you're conscious that you felt the brush glide over every part of your scalp. Thorough. That's why it's called thorough brushing. And the other thing is, the best way to brush, instead of the teeth straight in like this, it's better to lay it on its side and brush through, because then it'll skim through better and skim right over the web. You won't get caught. The only way to damage the web is to brush it and then jerk it. Brush and jerk. All right, like you're breaking a tag. That's the only way to break it, so don't be afraid of it. Brush right down to the scalp. Thorough brushing, meaning you consciously have passed the brush down to every part of your scalp. And remember, instead of this way, you lay it on its side and it glides through even easier.